Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you generate the images or the logos from the text. So you just need to specify or give the descriptions to the AI model, and the AI model will create the logos or the Facebook or the social media post out of the box for you. So ChatGPT just launched a new model which is the Dall E 3 model. You can create any kind of images by using the text. So let's suppose if you need the e-commerce logo, you just need to specify the logo type and also specify the color scheme and also specify anything which you want, and just click on the enter button. The ChatGPT Dall E3 model automatically create or give you the 4 options of the specific area like the e-commerce. So how exactly you can create the logos and also the post. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now write the ChatGPT, open AI. So this is the ChatGPT, and make sure I have the paid version or the plus version. So that's why I have the access or the earlier access of the earlier model or the current model they haven't used. So as you can see, if I go to the my plan, so I have the plus, and here as you can see I have the default version ChatGPT 4 and also the advanced data analysis and plus plugins. So here as you can see they have the Dall E3 model. So just click on this one. So now you have selected. Now write your logo. So let's suppose you need a logo. You have the e-commerce systems. So let's suppose I'm saying I have the e-commerce system. I need the logo. I need the logo. The brand name is, let's suppose I'm saying my commerce. Fine. So create the logo. Okay, that's it. You can write your descriptions according to your need. Just click on the enter button. Okay, so now as you can see, Dall E3 model creating the images out of the box for you. It's give you the 4 options. So it depends on you which options you are going to select. Make sure if you need the transparent background or in the form of PNG, you have to mention that you need the transform. So wait for a few seconds. Boom, here you go. So as you can see, the AI model created the logos out of the box for you. So here as you can see, my commerce, e-commerce, my commerce, and here as you can see it's saying my commerce. Just click on the download button to download the image. So as you can see, this is the image the AI model just give you. So let's suppose if you are working as a social media or if you're managing a page, I'm saying I need the page and post the e-commerce on social media. Create the images for the post of FB or something like that. You can also write that I'm saying I am promoting my e-commerce business or website. So now just click on the enter button. The AI model or the Dall E3 model creating the post out of the box for you. Make sure this is the beta version. So definitely you will have a lot of error. You have to see your options. Okay, here we go. So now as you can see, my commerce 50% off. So this is the image the system created out of the box for you. And make sure you also have your years to pure. As you can see, you have some spelling mistakes here. So you have to check because this is the beta versions. So that's why I say. And also, as you can see, you also have some kind of spelling mistakes here. So you have to see the spelling mistakes since this is a beta version. So this one, new arrival, also shop now, this one. Okay guys, so in this way you can create the images by using the text by using the ChatGPT E3 model. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.